आज का बजट विकसित भारत और भारत की संस्कृति दोनों को मिलाकर बनाया गया है। भारत को बायो फार्मा हब के रूप में डेवलप किया जाए, मेडिकल हब के रूप में डेवलप किया जाए। खुद भारत के लोगों की हेल्थ की चिंता के साथ बाहर से लोग आकर यहाँ पर अपना ट्रीटमेंट कराना चाहें, इस तरह का प्रोसीजर किया गया है। टूरिज्म को बढ़ाने के लिए कॉरिडोर्स को डिक्लेयर किया गया है और टूरिज्म के लिए अलग से ट्रेनिंग देने के लिए प्रोविजन किया गया है। इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात की गई है, आयुर्वेद की बात की गई है, टैक्स प्रोसीजर्स को सिंप्लीफाई करने की बात की गई है। तो मुझे लगता है 2047 के विकसित भारत को जिस तरह से आगे बढ़ना चाहिए उसका पूरा रोड मैप इस बजट में
have joined Aparajita Sarangi, member of parliament from BJP. Ma'am, how do you say about budget?
I would say that this is a highly pragmatic, balanced budget, and this is the budget for Viksit Bharat 2047. Many of the untouched areas have been touched through this budget. We are talking of women-owned enterprises. This is something very interesting. We are talking of one girls' hostel in every district. This is interesting. And I would also say that we are talking of fiscal deficit at 4.3%, the lowest ever. So we are talking of growth in the economy. We are trying to become the third largest economy, very strong economy, and at the same time, we are trying to keep the fiscal deficit as low as possible. So this is the challenge which this budget has taken on. And I must say that we are talking of areas like designing, National Institute of Design, National Institute of Hospitality, and so this is very interesting. We are talking of pharmaceutical areas, talk about sports goods. So I think which area is there which is not touched. So I think this is the beauty of this budget, highly pragmatic, highly balanced, and talking about a strong economy and at the same time keeping the fiscal deficit at 4.3%. This is a challenge. This has been taken on very nicely. Again, I would say that untouched areas have been touched by this budget.
But opposition says that is a disappointed.
They would say cynicism is the disease that they suffer from. Do we care about them? The people of the country must say what kind of budget it is. And I'm very confident that today there would be very good positive reports from all over the country.
Thanks. Manohar Kesari for News X.